What's going on, y'all? Let me start by saying Happy New Year and welcome to 2019. It's January 1st. The new year is here, and if you're not familiar with me, I'm djTLM, and I produce a lot of DJ-related content, especially for my YouTube channel called djTLMtv, but you can basically catch me anywhere online. I do tips and tricks, tutorials, product reviews, scratch sessions. I have a Q&A podcast, you name it. Now, I'm a club DJ. I've been DJing for over 25 years. I'm a tour DJ, and I've been touring with the same artist out of Amsterdam called Brainpower for over 20 years. I'm a family man, and I try to combine all of that. Now, my goal with this video, and hopefully the long line of videos that will come after this, is to give you a little bit of a behind-the-scenes look at what it actually takes to produce content, because most of the times you just get to see the end result when I post it on YouTube or Facebook or wherever. So I'm going to try to just take you through the day. It's not going to be one of those vlogs where I just drag the camera all around. I'm just going to give you a summary, tell you what I have planned for the day or all the things that I have done. And that's going to give you an idea. And I don't know, we'll see where this series goes. Maybe in a couple of videos I decide I want to take it on a total different route and actually take the camera along and start filming stuff. I don't know yet, but I'll try to document and at least give you a better idea of what it takes. So, like I said, it's January 1st. Right now I'm in a position where I have a lot of catching up to do when it comes to creating content, because I don't just create content for my own channels, I also produce content for other brands. So next to my own channel, I have all of that content, and for the last 3 to 4 weeks, I could not produce any content due to an injury. Shout out to all the supporters. I've seen everyone's concern, and people are happy that I'm back. I'm definitely back, and recovery is going well, but I tore a calf muscle. So if you've been through that, it's not great. Now, it wasn't a total tear, otherwise I would have been out for a lot longer. It happened during soccer practice, and it wasn't even my practice. I coach and train a team of boys. My oldest son is in that team. One wrong move and bop, it felt like someone just hit my leg from the back. I turned around, was no one there, and then I knew something was wrong. So yeah, it happens. It happened. I guess I have to make sure I start warming up now. We're not young anymore, so I have to make sure even if I move around a little bit, I have to do a warm-up or a stretch. But like I said, recovery is going well. I've been doing a lot of workouts, not working out the calf yet, but I'm getting closer to being in a position where I can actually walk normally, stand for longer periods of time, because I couldn't do that, so I couldn't shoot videos. 2019, that's going to be the year that I really devote all of my time, energy, and effort into creating as much content as I can. So I'm going to really have to take care of my planning. I have the family life going on. Right now it's still a holiday, but in a couple of days that's going to be over. Then I have to make sure that school, all of that schedule is in there, taking kids to school, bringing them, you name it. They have their extra activities, swimming, soccer. All of that has to happen, and I have to find time to plan videos, produce, record, and edit videos, and shoot the podcast. And I'm doing a new podcast, the Mix podcast, this year as well. So I have a lot on my plate right now. Deliberately, I want to make this happen. So I guess 2019 is a year that I want to prove to myself that I can actually really walk the walk. That's it. Now today, it's a little bit of a strange day, January 1st. You know how it goes. So we had the kids up at 12, like celebrate the new year. They stayed up for a couple of extra hours. I didn't get to sleep enough. But I'm here in the studio. This is the studio, quote-unquote studio. Right now, I recorded a new intro, a voiceover for my podcast, because I start season 2 today. The podcast has already been recorded, but I have to make sure that I'm not using the same old intro. So I just updated that. So as soon as I get home, I'm going to edit that in. Then I can bounce it and upload it. So that'll be up very soon. Once you watch this video, the podcast is up already. I shot a couple of photos, and I'm shooting some more because I'm going to drop a lot more content, especially on places like IG. So I'm going to start taking a lot more photos, not just of myself, but I'm going to shoot photos of my vinyl, hashtag my vinyl, shoot more photos of gear, hashtag my gear, stuff like that. And what else? I was in the process of also shooting one video for DJ Courses Online, but I still have to set up a couple of things. So today is going to be a bit of a light day. but starting tomorrow, it's going to be crazy. It's going to be hectic. I do have to plan some stuff tonight. Make sure that a couple of posts are ready to be posted tomorrow. Because if you want to start posting more content, you can't do it on the fly. You really have to plan it. So I've been working on my content strategy. When am I posting, uploading, where, you name it. Luckily, you have services that can help you to actually schedule certain posts. So I'm not doing everything live. I'm going to have like 10 Instagram posts ready to be posted the next day, you name it. But I do have to put in the work and actually make sure that I have the content so I can post it. So yeah, that's basically it for January 1st. Just wanted to introduce you to this video and the videos that will follow. Now, if you watch this video and you are not interested at all in what happens here, I'll always make sure that you can tell by the title that this is a video out of this series. So if this is not for you, then it's not for you. And if you do feel that you want to know a little bit more about what I do, watch the series. You can also always ask your questions in the comments section, email, IG, DMs, you name it. You know where to find me, at djTLM everywhere. So let me know what you think. Let me know if there's things you want me to talk about when I'm behind the scenes shooting, because I'm open to answer as many questions as I possibly can. Like I said, this is all about adding value and at the same time building this community, and I'm educating myself all the time. I have a room full of stuff that I still have to explore, discover, so I know more about it so I can hopefully help other people out with it as well. All right, so that's it for now. I'm going back to work, and you'll see me next time. Peace.